Huntingtower Castle stands just outside Perth, rising quietly above the River Armand. But beneath its calm appearance lies a story of ambition, betrayal, and royal danger. The castle began life in the late 1400s as Ruthven Tower, built by the powerful Ruthven family, one of Scotland's most influential noble houses. At first, it was a single defensive tower, strong, compact, and designed for survival in uncertain times. In the 16th century, the Ruthvens expanded the site, adding a second tower and connecting them with a tall hall block. This unusual twin-tower design made Huntingtower unique in Scotland and turned it into a residence fit for royalty. And royalty did come. Mary, Queen of Scots, visited Ruthven Castle in 1565, staying as a guest, though some believe she was kept under watch rather than welcomed freely. Years later, her son King James VI would return, but under far darker circumstances. In 1582, the castle became the centre of one of Scotland's most dramatic political plots, the Ruthven Raid. Young King James VI was seized by the Ruthven family and held captive here for nearly a year. The Ruthvens claimed they were protecting the king from corrupt advisors, but in truth, they were trying to control the crown itself. James eventually escaped. He never forgave them. Within years, the Ruthven family was destroyed, their lands seized, their name erased from history. The castle was later renamed Huntingtower, an attempt to wipe away the memory of betrayal. With such a violent past, legends soon followed. Visitors and staff have reported unexplained footsteps, sudden cold drafts, and doors that seem to move on their own. Some believe the restless spirit of a Ruthven lord still walks the tower stairs, watching for the king who never returned. Others tell of a silent woman seen near the upper chambers, possibly linked to Mary, Queen of Scots, standing at a window, looking toward Perth, waiting. Though Huntingtower Castle never fell in battle, it was undone by politics, pride, and power. Its stones remember secrets spoken in whispers and a king who learned, too early, that trust can be dangerous. Even today, the castle feels watchful. As if it knows, history is never truly finished.